There's number 7 with the drive, with the nice pass. Number 15, basket. Pass to Cortez. Jersey number 4, it's still only minutes, still be nice, still jersey number 3, it's still jersey number 3, jersey number 3, number 0, it's still jersey number 0, number 0 with a pass to Mr. Tulin, Polan, Tamayo, it's still a thank you so much, Tamayo, with a dream. Rebound, with a Vargas today with the black pass. Driving the lane. My goodness. 2 points for Mr. Rube. Pass to the fire. The fire will fly. Vargas fly. Vargas, pretty easy to. With a pull-up G, it's pure. Odulin with his pass to jersey number 20, pass to Tamayo. Tamayo with a long 3. To jersey number 14. Vargas once again. Bam! What a quick start from Mr. Vargas. And 5 to number 14 again. With a pass, Tamayo with a pass. 2 points, wearing jersey number 15. Tamayo with the steal, jersey number 0. He's still on jersey number 0. Tamayo pass to jersey number 20. To jersey number 14 with a nice defense. 14 I love to say, thank you so much, Mr. Jampal Bilaspin. Pindutin lang. Pindutin. 7, jersey number 7 with the drive, with a nice pass. Number 15, basket. Bonstrong with a pass, Tulin, good for 2. Timeout, team. With a pass, Balsi, nice ball to Ben. And it's still 14 again, jersey number 0, Tamayo. He's still on Tamayo. Tamayo with a pass, baseline jumper number 25. Vargas with a pass, Balsi. He's still on Balsi with a pass. Nice save, Cortez. My goodness, look at that. To jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Aban with a drop pass, Tamayo the layup. 25. Pass to jersey number 0. To Mr. Dulin. To Mr. Ilayat. To Mr. Dolin with the fake. Dolin with a nice move. 2 points. Dolin wearing jersey number 77. To Mr. Vargas. To Cortez. Pass to Dupaya. With a nice fake. Dupaya for a day. It's pure. Dupaya and is still on jersey number 25. Ilayat setting the play with a pass. Dolin is still on Dolin with a pass. Jersey number 0. Tamayo to Ilayat. Try to penetrate. Pass to Tamayo with a catch. Money! You paid 1, 2, 3 points. Nice ball movement. Dicey with the answer. No good. Cortez. Jersey number 0. Tamayo with the nice cross to Aban. My God! 5 to nothing. Rush like that. 5-point lead. Vargas try to crossover with a pull-up. Too smart. Coming right here. Stepping on the line. To jersey number 14. Turn around. No good. Vargas. Pass to Cortez. Cortez for Ilayat is still on Ilayat. Ilayat with a pass. Jimenez, jersey number 4 to jersey number 10 with a pass. Elias looked at the ball movement of Team Igig to jersey number 4 with a fake. Instead back way. No good. Rebound by jersey number 0. Pass to Cortez. Thank you so much. Cortez with a easy shot. To jersey number 4. Cut with number 25. No shooting. No good. Rebound. And a foul. And a foul. Try to separate in the nice steal. Team Igig. Here we go. Jimenez with a nice pass. And layup. And lose it up. And lose it in. To jersey number 17 with a pass. Vargas. Here we go. Vargas. Jimenez on him with a cunning help. Vargas with a nice pace and nice shot. Vargas on quarter. And nice steal. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Vargas. Vargas for him. Pass to jersey number 27. Jimenez is still on Jimenez with a nice steal. Jersey number 3 is still jersey number 3. Oh my God! In your face! Jersey number 3 with an easy to Jimenez. Is still on Jimenez with a crossover. Jersey number 17 on him. Nice save for jersey number 17. Vargas. Vargas 5 to shoot. Vargas with a crossover. Nice save. The powerful end of the first quarter. To jersey number Vargas. Vargas driving the lane, create some space. That's the number 0. Is still jersey number 0. Tamayo with the shot. In out. To jersey number 17. Is still on jersey number 17. Siriban. Is still on Siriban. Siriban. Number 0. Is still on jersey number 0. Number 0 with a pass to Mr. Dulin. Dulin. Pull up. 14 with a nice catch. Cortez pass to Balisi. Vargas. Thank you so much. 2 points. Vargas. The pass. Number 8 pulling down. Rebound for Team Igig with a pass. The pass jersey number 17. And a blocking foul. Rolling. Jersey number 3. Mr. Lord. Still jersey number 0 pa rin. Jersey number 0. For Team Igig, Tamayo pass to Mr. Dulin. Dulin with the pass. Jersey number 10. Aban for 3. Won't go. Number 19 with the secured. Jersey number 8. Pass to Vargas. Vargas with the crossover. Vargas. Vargas with the pass. Number 19. Number 19 at the paint. Pass for Z. Cortez to ball movement of Team Igig. And just like that, timeout for Team. In the pass. And nice steal, jersey number 0. Still jersey number 0 pa rin. Tamayo cutting shot. Bang! Ball possession. Igig ball. Tamayo with the pass to jersey number 77. Jersey number 7 to Tamayo. Posting up jersey number 14 to Tamayo. Jersey number 77. With the footwork, number 77 at the paint. He lays up. With chest coming for the team in. That will do. Is still Vargas. To Mr. Cortez. Cortez for 2, yes sir. 2 points, Cortez. Pass to jersey number 8, Colombano to jersey number 11, to Vargas. And foul. To jersey number 20, pass to Manuel, cut and shoot, bang! With the high Salazar. Manuel I should say. To jersey number 0, Vargas. Vargas, tama on him with the screen. Vargas is still on Vargas, the care on him. To Colombano. Little J, score. Colombano. Easy. So jersey number 25, change some direction. It's good. Jersey number 25. So jersey number 8, pass to Vargas. Vargas. Is still Vargas. Vargas with a voltage. Vargas with a nice pass. How do we miss that? Pass to the rebound by Team Lalo. Vargas, thank you so much. Easy to Vargas. Secured by Colombano, still Colombano. Still Colombano, Vargas, rely on him. This is the match that I want to see Vargas. And a blocking wall. Jersey number 25. Without with a pass to Mr. Aban, jersey number 10. Aban with a pass, jersey number 77. Dolin. Layup. Is still Unza with a steal. Will layup. Goodbye. 2 points to layup. And Team Lalo. To Natividad, with the low look, Aban, fire, no good. Oh, what a rebound by Salazar. Same ball. To Salazar, fade away shot, in and out, Tulin, crying for the emergency follow. Jimenez driving the basket. Yes, sir. 2 points, Jimenez. Pass to jersey number 17 to 13 out. Without by jersey number 10. 13. Natividad for 3. No good. Rebound by Ramos. With a straight for 2. No good. Rebound, 13. Save ball. 2 minutes. To Vargas. Abano rim. Vargas. Number 17. An official score, 40-30. Igig with a 10-point lead. The jersey number 26, yes sir, with a wide open shot. Thank you so much. The jersey number 4, Jimenez, change some direction. Jimenez, good to see. Nice fake to lead it to the glass. With a pass to Mr. Loristo for 2, no good. Number 26, with a nice pass, Loristo shot. To the Tamayo. Is still on Tamayo, middle wide open, bam! Thank you so much, Tamayo with a 3. Jersey number 14, number 25, the layup, 2 points, and a timeout, 15. And a blocking foul to jersey number Layup with a pass. Jimenez to jersey number 20. Layup once again. It's still Layup with a pass. Aban gives it to no good. with a pass to jersey number 3. With a pass to jersey number 26. Fortune. And the foul, jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, that's your third personal foul and a penalty. To Loristo. Cortez is still on Cortez. Cortez for two. Yes, sir. What a smart play coming right there. And Elias in the middle with the pass. He managed with the save. And the pass. Ramos for two. No good. Vargas grab the rebound. With the Vargas Sobe with the drop pass. Sobe driving the lane. My goodness. 2 points for Mr. Rube. Yes, with a pass break, nice pass, number 26. Thank you so much. And it's time out for team. Intercept for Team Lalo. Vargas is still on Vargas. Driving the lane for two. And a basket with a foul for jersey number 2. Ponstro. With a Ponstro. Tamayo setting the play. With the pass to jersey number 77 to Tamayo. To jersey number 20. Number 20. To jersey number 10. Number 10 for 2. And the foul jersey number 3. With a cut and shoot for Reed, with a shot, to jersey number 22 once again. With good bubble Mr. Cortez Vargas, 2-in-1. Yes, sir! What a give and take. The connection of jersey number 10. Connection. Sabret Vargas. Is still on Vargas. Vargas driving the lane. Rebound. Loristo. And nice steal. To number 77. Dulin for 3. Yes, sir! 3 points, Dulin. To Mr. Vargas with a pass, Loristo. Yes, sir. With a pass for Vargas. Elias. Pass to Tamayo. Tamayo with a 1, 2, for 2. Moving number 10. Abay up. Rebound 14. With a no-look pass. 4 points. Jersey number 4. Vargas with a practice shot. Bang! What a big answer for Mr. Vargas. Setting the play. To Tamayo with a shake and fake with the layup. Yes, sir. Tamayo. Suhon. Pass to Gabaya. To Mr. Vargas. Nice connection. Yes, sir. Colombano with an easy layup. To Jim. Igig. Number 13 with a fake for 2. Yes, sir. To Dupaya. Vargas for 3. And a foul wearing jersey number 77, pushing foul. He's still Vargas with a nice steal. Tamayo with a good by shot. Yes, sir. Shoot. Mr. Dupaya. And off the third group. So Vargas with the ISO play. Vargas is still on Vargas. And a foul. Dulin with a nice pass, number 13, easy shot. Number 14 will follow, and a rebound. Foul jersey number 8. That's Johan Anspo. Pass to jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number 77. To number 14. Pass to jersey number 77. Number 77 for 2. Yes, sir. Number 26 for 2. No good. Rebound number 27. Good for 2. Pass to jersey number 77. Mr. Dooley. With a basket and a foul. Number 0. To Mr. Jersey number 14. Balsi, pass to jersey number 19. To Mr. Cortez. Cortez for 2. Bang! 2 points, Cortez. Abandon the defeat. Elias to Natividad for 3. No hit. So jersey number 3. Is your jersey number 3. Pass to number 27 for 2. No good. And rebound by number 27 to Paya. Shot. Yes, sir. Time out for T. Iji. Number 14 shot. Yes, sir. Minutes to Mr. Tamayo. Isilon Tamayo. Tamayo, nice play for Mr. Balisi. Balisi, pass to Dupaya. 2 points. Dupaya. And foul jersey. To Mr. Balisi. To Dupaya. For 3. Bang! Dupaya! And the lead. To Balisi. Balisi with a pass. Dupaya fire. No good. Rebound for Team King. By with the steal. Vargas for 3. Bang! With that, Vargas Meres with a pass to Mr. Tamayo. To number 14 with a fake. Create sensation. No good. Here we go. Nueva Segovia. Vargas with the ISO, with the pass to Mr. Topaya, with the pass to Mr. Cortez. Balisi through. Bang! And the game will tie. That's up. Issue on Tamayo. Tamayo, pass to Jimenez, with the pass to jersey number 14, with the nice goal again. Nice play for Team Lalo. Vargas pass to Mr. Balisi. Balisi shot, no good. Rebound 14, Igig. And nice intercept. Balisi, pass to Vargas. Vargas and... Back to me. Pass to Dupaya. Dupaya will fire. Bang! 3 points. Tamayo 3. Mr. Vargas. Still Vargas. Team Lalo. Pass to Mr. Dooley. Dooley with a wide open. Bang! To rebound. Vargas. Still Vargas. 5 to shoot. Vargas, 5. Bang! What a top shot! Vargas to Mr. Relax. To Mr. number 20. Pass to Tupaya. To Balisi. Pass to Mr. Vargas. Vargas pull up. Bang! My goodness! Vargas get missed. Water. Tuli. Pass to number 20. Yes, sir. To jersey number 9. Pass to Tupaya. To number 77. Bullet 13. No good. Ibabay ni Sir Gutierrez. Basket. Official score 83-88. 5-point lead for Team Lalo. Nice game, both teams. Next game to be played between